I'll be better off than I was before. I've got this life, I'll be around to grow who I was before. I cannot recall long nights allow me to feel I'm falling, I am falling, the lights go out. Let me feel I'm falling, I am falling safely to the ground. I'll take this soul that's inside me now, like a brand new friend. I'll forever know I've got this life in the will to show. I will always be better than before. Long nights allow me to feel I'm falling, I am falling, the lights go out. Let me feel I'm falling, I am falling safely to the ground. Yes, I understand that every life must end. As we sit alone, I know someday we must go on. Oh, I'm a lucky man to count on both hands the ones I love. Some folks just have one, yeah, others they got none. Beside her, I am the better man. When I look to leave her, I always stagger back again. Once I built an ivory tower so I could worship from above. When I climbed down to be set free, she took me in again. There's a big heart, son, on the big people in the big hard world. When she comes to greet me, oh, there is nowhere to be free. Lifting up on empty up high, I silently that all my destinations will accept the one that's me, so I can breathe. Circles they grow and they swallow people whole. After life they say goodnight to wives they'll never know. A mind full of questions and a teacher in my soul. So it goes.